Here's your weather on the 3s.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's take one last look at that weather forecast today. We'll start with temperatures across South Louisiana. 74 in Lafayette and New Iberia, at 76 in Jennings, 69 in Alexandria. We saw some 60s out over towards Opelousas this morning, but it's still so much moisture around that not really going to feel necessarily all that comfortable outside, even if you are down at about 69 degrees this morning. It is really, really muggy out there, and it's going to stay that way all the way through, not just today, but we're going to see that continue all the way through the day as well. We're going to be hot, we're going to be humid, similar to what it's been like the last couple of days, actually. 1 or 2 showers popping up. We'll keep rain chances right around 10%. It's going to be coming in from the east and moving westward, so look towards the base a little later on. By Saturday morning, clear skies across the board. Clouds do start to build up. Mostly sunny skies, though, for tomorrow. A couple scattered showers are going to be in the mix, but that's going to be about it. All in all, it's not a bad forecast for you. It is just hot and it's just a little bit humid, but it's nothing that we can't really handle. 92 degrees for tailgating tomorrow. Here's a look at what you can expect for the Cajuns game. If you are headed out to the park to catch the Cajuns in action, it's going to be really hot and humid. You could have to dodge a few showers as well. For the LSU game, I think few showers through the tailgating time period, but kickoff right around 6. I think most of it should be coming to an end by then. Mostly clear skies by the fourth quarter. 93 degrees for your high today. Very hot and very muggy. We'll see a shower or two perhaps. That's going to be about it. 10% on your rain chances, winds from the east at 5 miles an hour. And then if we look ahead through the next 5 days, similar all the way through the majority of next week. By the time we get to next weekend, though, could be seeing a cool down in Acadiana.